Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Me a Question Wednesdays. So one of the common questions that we get is how should you prepare your home for sale? And so a couple of things you can do, we definitely recommend, do a deep clean, that's really gonna help kind of make your home shine. Decluttering is really gonna help. Just kind of putting things in storage that you don't use. You really want to have the buyer be able to envision themselves in the home. And then any projects that you've been working on in your home that maybe aren't finished yet, finishing those up is going to really, again, help your home shine its brightest. And a few other things that, we sometimes recommend is if you have colors that maybe aren't super neutral in your home, painting your walls a neutral color can really help. And then there was also a recent statistic that came out that painting your front door charcoal gray or black can actually increase your home's value by $6,000. That's a really good return on investment on a $30 can of paint. So those are just a couple of ideas that we have out there for really helping you get the most out of your home.